How to Create a YouTube Channel in 2024, Step-by-Step Guide. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to walk you through the process of creating your very own YouTube channel in 2024. Whether you're an aspiring content creator, a business looking to expand your online presence, or just someone who wants to share their passions with the world, creating a YouTube channel is easier than ever. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Sign in to your Google account. The first step is to sign in to your Google account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create one. Head over to google.com, click on Sign in the top right corner, and follow the prompts to create your account. Step 2. Go to YouTube Studio. Once you're signed into your Google account, navigate to YouTube Studio. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on Create. In YouTube Studio, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Create to start the process of creating your new channel. Step 4. Set up your channel. Follow the prompts to set up your channel. You'll be asked to choose a name for your channel, upload a profile picture, also known as a channel icon, and create a channel description. This is your chance to tell viewers what your channel is all about, so make it engaging. Step 5. Customize your channel. Once you've set up the basics, you can customize your channel further. You can add a channel banner, organize your videos into playlists, and add links to your social media accounts and website. Step 6. Upload your first video. Now it's time to start creating content. Click on the Upload button to upload your first video to your channel. You can drag and drop your video file directly into the upload window, or you can click on Select Files to choose a video from your computer. Step 7. Optimize your video. Before you publish your video, take some time to optimize it for search. Choose a catchy title, write a compelling description, and add relevant tags to help your video get discovered by viewers. Step 8. Publish your video. Once you've optimized your video, click on the Publish button to make it live on your channel. Congratulations! You've just uploaded your first video. And there you have it. You've successfully created your very own YouTube channel in 2024. Now it's time to start sharing your passions, connecting with viewers, and building your community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and share it with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.